Starting the day with watering our customers' indoor office plants. Take a look at the stunning office views of the Principality Stadium. Bye-bye old plants. With Dave's magic touch, this looks much better. Now it's time for me to do some work. Is this the correct technique? Next, we're saving the cordyline plants. Hey, it's me. Don't worry, Dave. I've got these. They look thirsty. More amazing views. Fun fact, our indoor office plants improves indoor air quality, helping to reduce staff health problems. The white orchids are my favorite. So pretty and perfect for a desk at reception. Time for a Greenleaf depot tour. So many plants ready for installation. Thank you for the best day, Dave. We're now besties.